Good morning, students. I am Sheba Miss, your science teacher. In our last class, I taught you a chapter of GK instead of science. By mistake, it happened so. Today, let us learn the new chapter of science, that is our body. You can see the picture of a boy here. We can divide the body into three main parts: the head. The topmost part is the head, then the trunk, the region below the head and above the leg. That part is the trunk, and we can call the legs and hand together, we can call it as limbs. So the three main parts of the body are the head, trunk and the limbs. Then our body has also bones and muscles. We can feel the bones and muscles in the body. Then the head is the topmost part of the body. We know that the uppermost part is the head. Then again, the head consists of the hair and the face. All of us have face, and the face has two eyes, two ears, a nose and a mouth. You can see on the face, mouth is there, nose, eyes are there and ears are also there. Then other parts are also, cheeks are there, chin, forehead are the other parts of the face. Again, we can see hair on our head. Inside the head, we have all of us have brain inside it. Brain is the most important part of the body. You can see the picture of the brain here. Brain here, and it is controlling inside our head. We all have a brain and it is controlling all other parts of the body. We can do all the activities. We can remember, think or recall, or we can run. Every activity is done by the brain. You can see the picture of the brain inside the head. We all have a brain like this. Then the other parts are also shown here. Here in the picture you can see the brain. That is how it is inside our head. Then again, the trunk. You see the trunk. Trunk is the part of the body between the head and the legs. The trunk consists of the chest and abdomen. Here this part is known as the trunk, and the upper part is known as the chest, and the lower part is known as the abdomen. The chest, the upper part, the chest contain the organs known as the heart and lungs. Here the picture of the heart and lungs here. Heart is the organ that is pumps blood to different parts of the body. Then you can see the blood vessels, some pipe like structures you can see. When heart contracts or when it pumps, blood will pass through these vessels and reach all the part of the body. The food that we eat will be carried through the blood and reach the heart. When heart pump the blood, the food will reach all parts of the body. Then when we breathe oxygen, we get oxygen from the lungs, that is also pumped by the heart. Then oxygen will reach all part of the body. Then you can see the lungs. Lungs help in breathing. You know that lungs is shown here with red color because through the lungs a lot of blood is flowing. So blood carry the oxygen and that will reach the heart, and heart will pump that oxygen to all oxygen containing blood to all parts of the body. That is how it happened. Then you can see two questions here. The dash is the topmost part of our body. The head is the topmost part of the body. The trunk consists of the chest and abdomen are the answer. Trunk consists of the chest and abdomen. Here one picture I shall show you how our heart and lungs are located inside our body. You can see the heart here and lungs on either side of the heart. This is the position how it occur inside our body. Here in the picture you can see the intestine, a part of the stomach, liver is there, so that the stomach, the full stomach we cannot see because the liver is here. Then again another important organ, kidney, is behind this, near our backbone, at the back side of, in the abdomen there is another important organ known as kidney is also there. That are the structure. Several organs are inside our body, so we must be very careful about our body. It is like a machine, it is function so we all must protect our body properly. Then again another two important organs are also shown here. Then stomach. The food we eat reaches the stomach. Stomach help us to digest or break down the food into soluble form. In the soluble form, when it dissolve or into small, that will dissolve like the sugar. Sugar dissolve in water, we know that. Like that, a stomach can digest the food so that the blood can absorb it. Again, the kidney. Kidney is cleaning the blood. When blood vessels are here, when blood pass through the kidney, all the waste material will be collected in the urinary bladder. When we urinate, the waste material will go with the urine. Kidneys clean the blood. You know that the blood vessels are coming, carrying or passing through the kidney filter or remove all the waste and collect it with urine. Urinary bladder, urine will be collected here. When it fill, our body will urinate it outside so that we can remove the waste from our body.